So now we will build the backend system for like and dislike. Basically, we will have two tables, one for likes and one for dislikes. We'll have relationship one-to-many between the video and between the likes or dislikes. So of course there are different ways we can implement this with different relationships, but in this solution or this project we are going to use one-to-many. And so let's get started. The first thing we need to create, basically we will create a model, PHP artisan model, create model or make model, and the name of the model will be like. I want just migration, so I'll add one dash or minus m. This will be created. Then also I need another one, which is basically this like model, and then we'll start doing the migration. So we'll go to the code and we'll go to the migration. Basically we'll start with likes. So I'll add only two things here. I will need unsigned big integer, unsigned big integer reference to user ID, because I want to store, for example, like this. It will be, for example, user1 likes video1 and so on, and then user1 maybe likes video2 and so on. So we'll have this relationship or this table structure, and this will be the same for also for dislikes. And then the other one, I would like to have also the video ID. So video ID, I don't want timestamps, and we're gonna disable timestamps also on the model later after we finish the migration. We'll work on that. So I need these two things. Same thing for dislikes, I will add also dislikes. Same thing, I will need the user ID and the video ID. So now we'll go to this PHP artisan and do the migration, migrate. So the tables are created. So if we go the database and then refresh, so I have now likes and I have dislikes as well. So now we'll go to the model and do the relationships that we talked about, basically one-to-many and so on. So we'll go to the code, we'll close these files. Let's start with the video, video model. So what we need to add here, basically we need to add one method for likes. Okay, so one user, we can return this has many, and then like class. Same thing for dislikes. Sorry. So dislikes will be for class dislike. So we have added the relationship here. Let's jump into the like model. We mentioned that we need to disable the timestamp. We can do that by adding public, then time, one variable, time stamps equal false. So we disable that when we do the migration. Let me see if the migration comes with no timestamps. So that's good. And then what I need also, I need the relationship, the reverse or the inverse relationship. Basically it will be user in this case. So retain this belongs to user class, like this. And then I need to copy all of these, disabling timestamps and the user. I will go to dislike and we do the same. So I think here the relationship, it should be between video and like and dislike. So I did a mistake here. So this will be video, and the same thing also for like. Just let's correct it this way. So we have relationship between the video and likes and video dislikes. Also we need to add protected, guarded equal none, which is empty array, so we can add anything here. Same thing for dislikes. So I think we are done with this preparing our tables and relationships.